was, not quite 3
The other day,
hours.
someone
I
asked
can't
me,
tell by Excelsior.
oh, at school, they were like, here, you should pick me up. I was like, well, this girl, she's pretty much my aunt, but she's not my aunt. She's responsible.
No, she shows chihuahuas. So she showed earlier with her chihuahuas.
Yeah, where is she? We want to
She's
know.
over there lurking.
Lurking. I see her now lurking.
Yeah, she's over there lurking.
She's sleeping. She didn't even see
She
me
might be
pointing at her.
sleeping.
I know
That's true.
she's sleeping. Her eyes are quite closed.
Now they're into play mode.
And they're in the ring together.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. They're in play mode right now.
You're going to put a piece of chicken in her nose and run her around the ring. Now, Bestie was from a litter of 11, but she's the only one I kept. So she has never had someone. She's never had someone her age. Now, yeah, don't let her get up. So she plays with the older girls, but she's never had someone her age to play with.
Come here. I'm gonna take my arm off, twin.